morning, everyone. We are the first group in this class, and we will start our report. So, as we all know, human development is a lifelong process where we experience growth and changes across various aspects of our lives, whether it be physical, mental, or social. So, to understand this journey, we will discuss with the different stages of development, each marked by its unique challenges and milestones. But before that, let's have our objectives first. By at the end of the day, the students will be able to identify and describe the different stages of human development. Second is to understand the key development tasks associated with each stage. And last is to apply your knowledge of developmental stages and tasks to real-life scenarios, demonstrating an understanding of how these aspects influence individual growth and behavior. So, these are the different stages of human development. Summarization, and we have an 8 stages of human development. Let's start with the prenatal period, which will be discussed by Mr. Manati.